to our video session, the Hindu newspaper article analysis. Headlines: over 75 lakh cases cleared by Lok Adalat. We will discuss important points in the article. NALSA, about its primary function. Lok Adalat, about and its benefits. About the Legal Service Authority under Chief Justice of India designate Justice UU Lalit, Executive Chairman of National Legal Service Authority NALSA, used technological platforms to conduct digital Lok Adalat in Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Next we go for NALSA full form. National Legal Service Authority. Article 39A of the Constitution of India provides for free legal aid to the poor and weaker sections of the society, ensures justice for all. And Article 39A comes under Part 4 of Directive Principles of State Policy. Article 14 and Article 22(1) of the Constitution make it obligatory for the state to ensure equality before law and legal system which promotes justice on the basis of equal opportunities to all. Article 14 and Article 22(1) comes under Part 3 of Fundamental Rights. And here the state means which is the definition given in Fundamental Rights. NALSA is constituted under Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. It is enacted in 1987 by the Parliament and came into force on 9th November 1995. In every state, we have State Legal Service Authority. In every High Court Legal Service Committee, and at district level, District Legal Service Authority, Taluk level, Taluk Legal Service Committees are constituted. The function is to give effect to the policies and directions given by the NALSA. And NALSA frames policies, principles, guidelines, and effective and economical schemes to implement the legal service programs throughout the country. Primary function of NALSA. Number 1, to provide free and competent legal service to the eligible person. Number 2, to organize Lok Adalats for amicable settlement of disputes. Number 3, to organize legal service camps in the rural areas. Next, Lok Adalat. Lok Adalat is a forum where the cases or disputes are settled in an amicable manner. That means the cases which are pending in court or which are at pre-litigation state, not yet brought before a court, these are compromised. And the word Lok Adalat means people court, and which is based on the Gandhian principles. And Lok Adalat is one of the component of alternative disputes resolution system. Benefits of the Lok Adalat. Number 1, it is less expensive. Number 2, it is less time consuming. Number 3, it is free from technicalities that are in the law courts. Number 4, parties are free to discuss their differences of opinion without any fear of disclosure before any law courts. Number 5, the parties have the feeling that no losing or winning, and their grievances is redressed and their relationship is restored. Next, come to the question. Article 39A belongs to which part of the Constitution? Comment your answers below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.